Who is put off eating veggie beef kebabs because the vegetables are usually overcooked? They look so cute at the beginning, but by the time the meat is done, the veggies are usually dead and gone. I don't like it either. So this video is my attempt to prepare delicious appetizing kebabs whose veggies are still fresh and bright. Mwah. This video has two parts, so watch till the end to see how I revamped the leftovers and got this yumminess you see right now. We start by making the marinade for the beef kebabs. I have onions and habanero pepper in there. You can use any pepper of your choice or skip it totally. I just wanted some habanero kind of spiciness in there. Blitz and add that to the beef cuts. Black pepper, seasoning cubes or bouillon cubes, thyme, and mix very well. You can add salt at this time if you wish, but for us, the salt in the seasoning cubes is enough. Cover that and put in the fridge to marinate for at least half an hour. I left mine for about 1 hour. I'll be using these metallic skewers to thread the beef and vegetables, so I do that while leaving space for the vegetables. Look at them. Grill or broil in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius, that's 350 Fahrenheit, for 20 minutes. While waiting for that, we clean and prep the bell peppers and onion. After 20 minutes, I flip the beef kebabs over to grill the other side as well. And continue with the veggies. You see the slit I'm giving them? Yeah, they'll come in handy later. After another 20 minutes of grilling, I start inserting the vegetables. The length of time you will grill either side of the beef depends on the part of beef you are using. I am using chalk eye. Insert the veggies like so. And rub any mixed seasoning of your choice. I am applying barbecue sauce to it. You can even toss the veggies in a marinade before inserting them. Back in the oven, grill either side for 3 minutes max or till you begin to see signs that the veggies are cooked to your liking. And it's done! This is how we enjoyed it with jollof rice. You can also have just the beef veggie kebabs with a chilled drink. But wait, don't go yet. We had some leftover veggies and grilled meat, and I sauteed everything with extra virgin olive oil, added black pepper and salt. Can you peep the leftover rice warming up on the other burner? Once everything has heated up, take it off the stove. There you have it. Look at how these leftovers have been revamped. Can you believe this sumptuous meal is from leftovers? Have you liked this video yet? It even tasted much better the next day because the flavors have sunk in very well. Remember me in your paradise when you are enjoying this. Bye bye. See you soon.